Hey everyone, at the present time, a lot of iPhone users have been facing the problem their iPhone not making a sound when they get notifications. Let's learn how to resolve this issue. First process is increase your sound of your device. Open Control Center on your phone. If volume is set to mute, drag up to increase. Now check if you get notification sounds or not. Second process is restart your iPhone. Open Settings app, click on General. Now scroll down and click on Shutdown. Turn off your iPhone by dragging the slides to power off slate at your right side. After a few seconds later, your device back on. Third process is turn off Do Not Disturb. Open Settings app, then click Focus. After that, click Do Not Disturb. Here turn off Do Not Disturb. Now check notifications work on your device. Fourth process is enable notification settings. For that, open Settings, click on Notifications, scroll down and click on Messages, and turn on Allow Notifications. Here select Lock Screen Notification Centers, last one is Banners. After that, click Sound and select the default notification sounds. Now check the notification is working on your device. Fifth process is turn off haptics. Open Settings, click on Sounds, then scroll down and turn off. Play haptics in silent mode. Sixth process is check VPN. Open Settings app, scroll down, click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected on your device. And yes guys, here's the video. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching.